Edgar, I'm supposed to see.
Edgar.
Is he?
Yeah, yeah. You can get to me.
All right.
One guy yeah, okay.
Edgar.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
One second though. Be careful, this guy. He'll take advantage of you.
Not at all.
I'll tell you what I have.
All right.
I have this is the original one, and
Sin embargo, las
this part
sospechas sobre él
was broken.
aumentaron tras el inicio de la presente
This part.
administración,
Put it down. Let me see.
cuando Calix negoció con el Partido Nacional en un intento por convertirse en presidente
This part was
del
broken.
Congreso Nacional.
Oh yeah.
So
En enero de
this is the- so I
2022,
got the
en
part,
medio de la crisis política por la disputa de la presidencia
It's
del
in there.
Congreso,
and I had
Calix
the spring,
anunció su intención de modificar el
This one,
procedimiento que ha
and
permitido
this one. These are
la
the
extradición de
and this one.
hondureños a los Estados
Yeah.
Unidos. Estas declaraciones
And
fueron
then some more
realizadas
parts
durante una
here
sesión
in case
virtual
There. Okay.
Yeah.
desde un
All right, so
exclusivo
I'll put this
restaurante
together
en la
for you then.
capital,
Yeah.
acompañado por miembros.
Thank you. I forget this other guy's name. Dave, I think. Real nice guy. He's real nice. I didn't lose anything there, did I? I hope not. So this and this. Oops. And that. This. Eight. So I didn't take this apart, so I don't know. This has to go in here. Now this moves up and down. I gotta make sure that's all together. It looks like it's all together in there. Yeah. Should be, nothing else is moving. But this has to be pushed up the whole time this process is going on. So I'm going to clamp it into the vise like that. This piece goes in next. I don't know which way it goes. Hoping that way. This goes in here. So this goes in this way. That. This goes on top. Let's see here. This one goes in one way. Which way? So I'm gonna guess all these tabs are gonna go there. I hope. So this, I want this to go here. That. In there. it to sockets. Now. Yeah, see, I can't do that. I gotta bring this up higher. This has to sit at least here. Let's see if I can stick that under there to hold that cylinder in place. I hope. It's just gonna get spun this way. This has to go all the way over to this side here. With this in here. Kind of. Pop out. No. It's in. This won't slide on. Is it coming from the wrong direction? What's going on? Yeah. No. Oh, you bastard. Can't get out of there. Oh, this whole thing spun right around. That's why. Alright. It's no good. This is on there. Now I'll have to wait. I want this. Oh no. Which way does all that go? Just popped out. Okay, that should settle down now. It should go down. It's not going down. It's hard in the fingers. Is this in the wrong way? Maybe. That's it. The right spot. I do believe. think the spring, yeah, it's all tangled up inside there. That's why. Try and get that spring over. See where it's tangled? It's stuck right in there, right in the slot, right where it's not supposed to be. No, it should go down. No, goes in this way. Come on, come on, go, go, go. Why is it not going down? The spring's back in there. That's why. I got it out or not. Just popped. So this has to go in that way. That way. So all these little tabs point to there. All right. Sees my hands, eh? Okay. Let's lower you down here a little bit. So that you're almost eye level here. That's gonna help at all or not? Don't really care because you know what? This is pretty hard, difficult to do. On a good day. Let's get stuck in there. Spring. Still stuck in there. Wonder if I turn that first, now this. right there. Now, stop. Get caught on nothing. It's a car. Something just popped. Still. This is really hard in the fingers. Getting caught on that other one. That's this. And it should just go down. Like it should be like nothing. Here. Can't see nothing. What's all lined up? Why is it not going? That spring hanging out? Oh, this thing moved, that's why. Going in way too easy here. Nothing spun. It's because this is dropping down. I want it to stay up. It's not staying up. Still. So when I push on it, it goes down. It's no good. Not good. What do I need to stop that? Stop that. Can I drop it down a tiny bit more? Does that work? It's solid now. Does that work? Soon to find out. After these messages, we'll be right back. That goes this way. And we'll also spin it once. It's going to go down. There it goes. Together. Come on. Stay down there. Bastard. Missed it. Missed it completely. Things in the way. Why is it not going? Stuck. Why? Stuck jammed up. Gotta go over that other piece. Maybe. Have to do with timing, I guess. Guess so. Lift it up, over, down, down, down. Right there. Go in. So it's down. Got it. Now, if I can hold this down, it'll go. I hope. Yes. Son of a bitch. That's no walk in the park, that one. No. That's done. Get it back. I'm out of here.
Thank you, Oma. How much is it?
Let's try the key in there.
Huh?
Try the key. There you go.
There we go.
Beautiful. Well, I'm running a special today.
Huh?
I'm running a special.
Yeah, that's what you do.
Yeah, it's free today.
Huh?
Free.
No.
Yeah.
No, wow.
I'm running a special just in this area.
Thank you, Mama. Appreciate it very much.
Have you talked to Dennis lately?
Who's Dennis?
I thought you knew Dennis for what am I saying, Dennis? It's Dennis, isn't it? Oh, sorry, his name. Who does Sherlock.
Oh, Don.
Don, why am I saying Dennis?
Yeah.
Sorry, Don.
He passed away in February.
Are you joking?
No. I found out March. No. February? No. November.
I was gonna try to give
November, I didn't
give him
find-
a call a little while ago, and then I was gonna stop by his place, right? He was place over here. Just
Where?
To see what his house by whatever.
Bonner.
Yes.
Yeah, he's long gone from there.
Oh really?
Oh yeah, that wasn't his house.
Okay, I didn't know he was going on from there.
Yeah, he moved from there, went to his kid's place,
Okay,
or to another place somewhere, and then he moved again,
because I know.
and then he moved again.
I know he because of the diabetes has his foot amputated or something.
Yeah, toes. Yeah,
Toes,
they were all
toes.
gone.
Holy.
Yeah, he.
What did
So
he
it's
pa-
November.
November. So what did he pass away from? Do you know?
Huh?
You know what he passed away from?
No.
Just you found out from whoever.
Yeah, someone. In March.
Okay. He would have been what, in his 70s, I guess?
No. He looked old. I think he might have been younger than me. Yeah, he might have been, or 2 years old or something like that.
Okay. All right.
I don't think he was 60.
It's just too bad. I really like him.
Yeah, he's really nice. Yeah.
He's a really nice guy.
Yeah.
That's too bad. Maybe medical complications.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we all get them eventually, right?
Yeah, hopefully not. But
Well, we're gonna-
try to be positive.
we're all
Try-
gonna die from something.
Yeah,
Like-
that's for sure. Yeah.
like
One
this-
second,
it's-
you know what I know. The way there's so much chemicals and stuff around, you don't want to think about it. Something's gonna get you. That's the way it is.
It is, yeah.
But again, that's a bit young. But it is what it is. It happens. It can happen anyway. It can happen. It does happen.
Yeah.
That's
Happens
what
all the
that's
time.
good information you told me. I had no idea.
Yeah.
I had no idea. And I guess it was a surprise to you too?
Well, he died in November, and I didn't find out till March.
Wow.
So
Yeah, it is what it is. Like, if he takes in sick and people don't know who his contacts are and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Boss, thank you again, my man.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Anything you need, please let me know.
Oh yeah, sure. How about this light? Can I have this light? No.
Hector, what was the problem with it? What was the problem?
He broke it.
What was the problem?
He broke it.
Oh, he broke it.
Yeah, he broke it and wanted me to come fix it.
Okay, gotcha.
The usual.
Yeah, it is
Hey,
what it is.
fix.
Oh, I remember. Yeah.
Fix the other.
You know, it's just a reassemble because you know he got it from me.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So it was tricky.
Oh yeah.
So I go back and crazy.
I tried for a week.
Yeah, I know.
I tried to put
Oh, I know.
that thing together for a week.
Oh yeah. My first one was the same.
It wouldn't pull out. It wouldn't.
No.
It's just,
You try to put that together now.
you can't.
Just try to put that together.
Really?
Yeah.
I have in the past. I thought.
No,
Trust me,
you can't do it.
you have to be on
Yeah.
the tray.
Yeah.
There's no,
Technique.
you know.
Yeah, I know.
what
Yeah,
I'm
I know exactly what you mean.
One
Yeah,
piece
I
is-
can put
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. But you couldn't do this one.
the spring. This
Yeah.
very tricky.
But if one piece is the wrong way, you're not going to get it.
Because he got the reassembled for me, and his piece had broken, and I thought, I got it.
Remember that you gave me
Yeah,
the rope
yeah,
together.
yeah.
So I recorded
Yes.
how
Yes.
took
Yeah.
apart
Yeah.
to be able to put it back on.
Yeah.
Even with the video, I couldn't put it back on.
Oh.
It is what it is. Some stuff is.
I didn't have a video.
You're talented.
No.
How can I say? You're experienced.
Well, I got lucky.
Now, you know what? It comes down to.
You don't do it every day either.
Yeah, and also, you've probably been there in the first times or whatever you did. It probably wasn't easy. You know, it probably was a little bit of maybe.
Oh, it was hours.
Wow.
It was hours.
Hours.
Oh yeah, hours. Oh yeah, trying to get that together. Yeah. If there's a piece that's not right,
Yeah.
it's hours and days, weeks.
Hours.
Yeah.
I was wondering why I was seeing extra crying last week. You were crying.
Okay, Gary, have a good day. What's his name, Dave?
Huh?
What's your name again?
David.
David, yeah.
Yeah,
I knew it.
yeah.
I knew it.
It is what it is.
Aye.
That's too bad about Dawn because you know what's happened? He was always really good to me.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure everyone is.
No, just Dawn especially. And then sadly to say, my mom's been having some problems with her toes, the diabetes stuff. I was gonna ask her for some advice. Like one toe's always sore, it's always swollen, it's always blistering. Related to this diabetes.
Lack of, well, what else did she do? She smoke, drink?
Nope,
No?
healthy,
All
very
right.
healthy. And she gets swelling in her feet, swelling in her feet all the time.
Yeah.
I'm concerned about it because
Lack of iron?
Pardon me?
Lack of iron?
You know what? I think our biggest problem is we're going to these medical doctors, and I don't know how much. I have some bad experience with them, and I don't know how much to trust them. You know, but I know that lately she said it started about April, February, March. Her feet, ankle started swelling up. The circulatory problem.
Right. Yep.
And then she always monitors like her diabetes level. And it hasn't been that bad.
No.
But at the same time, this is what's been happening.
Try a naturopathic doctor.
Yes, that might be a good idea.
Yeah. Just one or two. I've gone to 2 or 3 of those guys. I've gone to Chinese doctors.
So you know of some of them?
Huh?
Naturopath?
Yeah, homeopathic, I think it's called.
Homeopath, yes.
There was a Karen McIsaac, but she's gone. I think
Pardon me?
Karen McIsaac. I think.
All right.
I think I'm not sure. This is a long time ago. So.
Yeah, it'd probably be good for me to get some reference.
Just do some research.
I'm into naturopath. I like that.
Yeah.
I don't like these chemicals or something.
No.
But the physicians won't tell you that.
It's good for some things like infections and
Yeah, that's what,
rashes.
That's what she's
Yeah.
having. She's having a bit of an infection. Right?
yeah.
That's why her ankle's swelling. It's a circulatory issue.
Yeah.
I'm just assuming from the diabetes.
I don't know. But we're gonna catch you on the next one.
It is